Okay guys, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon, and this platform has been really awesome. Okay, I created an account for my brother. I'm just going to use this account to buy a new package and buy recharge card. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to upgrade to a higher plan. I'm going to buy a package. Okay, so click this button right here to buy a package. Guys, I want you to join this platform right now because this is the latest platform that is actually paying better than any other platform you can actually see. Okay, so let me buy a package of 50,000 naira. And actually, when you actually create an account, you'll be given a 300 naira welcome bonus. Okay, so I bought the package. You can see that I'm now a pro member, no longer a free account anymore. So what I'm going to do is that this 300 naira, I'm going to use it to buy airtime. Okay, so because one thing I love about this platform is that you can actually carry out VTU services on the platform. So let me buy airtime right now. So I'm going to buy 100 naira airtime. As long as you register, you are entitled to the free money that you actually have there. So I'm going to buy airtime. Let me buy airtime to my number. So this is my main number, 081. So I'm going to select MTN 100 naira. So once I receive my this thing, I'm going to alert you guys right now. Okay, so click on OK. Then click on recharge. Okay, so transaction successful, airtime purchase was successful. So once I get my airtime purchase, you see it, that was immediately. You see it, that is immediately. 100 naira was sent to me immediately. So guys, if you are still dulling on this platform, you are wasting your time. See, like I told you guys, it's better to join a platform that is actually going to pay you, that is legit. And if you notice, I've not been uploading anything on my channel. Okay, the last time I uploaded was more like NetSwap 4 months ago, and this year I did only one video. So guys, this is the only platform I'm promoting because of the guarantee. See, how do you know a platform is going to pay you? You're going to know from their payout. Okay, from their payout. Once the payout is more than enough, know that they are going to crash. Okay, just it. So guys, if you have any question, join me on WhatsApp, join my Telegram group, and you're able to know more about how this platform is going. Peace out.